Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. So, if you like this video or if you want to know anything about this video, you can email me at I will do it forever at the rate gmail.com. So, in short, I kept forever as my channel name. So today, let's see something for kids in Tableau. So I have done something like this, learning for kids. So number, alphabet, and color. These three combinations I clubbed like this so that like how we can use this small idea in Tableau for teaching to our kids. So I will tell you everything how I did develop this. Before that, let me show you the final output. So I have 1 to 100, A to Z, and the seven colors of these seven colors I have included. Whip gear colors I have included. Let us see how it works. So this has an animation. So if you click this button, right, so I clicked it. Now it will dynamically change so that the kids who already know few, or they are like, they can recognize it fast manner, so they can quickly say like 11K yellow, 12L orange, 13M red in this fast manner. Or else if you feel the kids is still learning, so you can always click next page, wait for it, and let the kid understand and identify and tell the number and the character and the color. So this combination, learning this number, alphabet, and color is very crucial information for any kid to learn. So my effort is to combine in a single report or dashboard, so that uh, if you have a public reader, Tableau reader, you can download this and you can use it in your personal desktop as well. Or else you can come to this URL, which I'm going to provide in the video description. All the time, you just come here and click on the full screen, and then have your kid and just try to teach with this method. So just try if he can or she can identify number and recognize it. So this is for this for parents, just to teach them. So this also has something for developers. So how we achieve this, that is for the Tableau developers. So this is because of animation. So recently we got added this in 2020.1 Tableau version. So before that, let me show you the data. So this is the sample data. I took 100 days of dates. So Jan 1st till 9th April. So if you see the sum, it is 100. So my ambition was to teach 1 to 100. So this is what I have in number. So number contains 1 to 10. So this is like alphabet. So 65, 66. You may wonder why I have taken this. So if you observe 65 to yeah, 65 to 90. This 65 to 90. Again, it will start from 65 to 90. Again, it will start from 65 to 90. Finally, we ended up at 88. So why I have taken this? This is I am using the ASCII function, no, ASCII to alphabet conversion in Tableau. So this is for a developer. So let me show you before the report. This is a way you can check. Say for A, it is 65. For Z, it is 90. That's why I took 65 to 90 and repeated till the end. So now let's come to the report, actual report. So here, right, so this is the dashboard. So let me open the sheet. This is exactly referring this data source. So now I have calculated few calculated fields here. Like you, I hope you know this 0 and 1 having a value of 1 and 1, we use this for dual axis, creating a dual axis, like I'm just creating a dual axis so that you have these two charts. The black color is one circle, within that this dynamic color changing is another circle. So if you see the first one, so this is okay, not all. If you see this color, I'm just using the black color. Okay, so text color, which is the blue here. So I will tell you this text color how I'm deriving. So let's go from the beginning. So I hope you understood. I assume you know how to create a dual chat. So then I proceed from that point. So first we have a date. Let me come here and show you. We have a date. You know, this is from, let me convert to discrete, from Jan 1st till April 9th. These are 100 days. And we have a number. Let me create, let me show you discrete. So this is 1 to 100. And then let me show you the ASCII, right? We also have ASCII. Let me make it discrete. So we have 65. This is the same. I'm showing you the same data source I'm using. So this is what it is. Now, what I calculated? I calculated the color and A to Z and text color. Let's have, before that, let's, from the ASCII, right? From the ASCII, I derived this A to Z. Okay, let me show you what I did here. Edit this, simply char of this number. Can you see char of 65 is A? So this is nothing but it is converting ASCII to alphabet. That's why I just took 65 to 90 and repeated till the end. So that's why you get A to Z, again A to Z, and again A to Z, and finally you will get till V only because of 100 records. So this is the first calculation which I am showing here in the V. Okay, this what you see here. This is from the A to Z field. Okay, and then what I calculated? I calculated the color. Okay, let me bring that here. Okay, I made okay, let me take the discrete of even like dimension or whatever, no problem. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Okay, I have taken the 7. I am using this, the mode function we use in Excel. So number is this one mode of 7, which gives the reminder. Okay, so like, which gives the mode. I hope you know the mode function, right? So see, just mode 1 comma 7. Can you see 1 2 3? Again for 7 it will be 0. Again it will start 1 2 3 4. So we get 1 2, we get the 7 different numbers including 0. So that's how we can derive the 7 colors. So the next is what I derived, this color. So can you see the indigo, blue, green? So I have derived. Let me show you that field. So you can see I use the case statement, which is common even in, I think in many other languages we use this case statement. So when 0, violet, 1, indigo, and so on, I'm referring to the same whip gear, violet, indigo, the same pattern in the same order. So this is how it gives this output. So that's it. When it comes to a calculated field, let me show you how I have used this A to Z color and color text in the dashboard. So let me open this, click on here, and now you see, come to the second one where I have used everything. The color. Okay, so the color I'm using, can you see this whip gear? So I mapped this with a particular color. So click on here, edit. So if you see for 0, I have mapped this violet. and indigo, blue, green in a web gear uh, order, chronological order. I have done it. So this is one thing. So that's how it will change. It will change as per the mode. If you know this, right, like this, it will change for this date one, for the next date second, so for third Jan three. So as the number changes 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, this color will get changed. And second thing is a number. So numbers are from 1 to 100. It will repeat from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the third is the A to Z, which gives the alphabet, A to Z. Currently we are in V. Let me click on the first one. So one started with one, A and indigo. So if you click on next, it will change to be blue. So this color and the number and alphabet, it is changing. So this blue, I hope you know, we are getting from the first one. So text color is this, so indigo. So it will also change as per the date. Now I hope you know the new functionality of the animation. If you click here, so it will change. I hope you can see the number is getting changed here dynamically. So this new feature was available in Tableau desktop, but in 2020.1 version they made it available on web also. So the same thing you can see in web also. Can you see the same thing here? It is changing dynamically. Yeah. So that's it. If you have any questions, if this for the Tableau developers or Tableau learners, if you have any questions on this, please write email to me at I will do it forever.com. If you can't see this, let me show you that email ID again. I will do it forever at the rate gmail.com. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe to others. For the parents, I hope this will help your kids. Thank you for watching.